How to change language on McDonald's app. Hello and welcome back to Official Help Desk. In today's video, I'm going to show you step-by-step process of how you can change your language in your McDonald's app. So without any further ado, let us get started. Head over to your McDonald's app from your device. Make sure that you are logged into your McDonald's account, then tap onto More icon on your bottom right. Once you do so, you will land onto this page. Now tap onto Region and Language at the last option. You will see the option of language just below country. Now to change it, tap on the language. Then once you have chosen the language that you would like to add, to render your changes, tap on Confirm at the bottom of the page, then you will be good to go. Thank you for watching the video till the very end. In case it had helped you in any ways, then do like and subscribe. We will be back soon with more helpful contents like this. Till then, hit the subscribe button to never miss an update from us.